125. They're coming 6 for 236. They put on a neat little 38.
We don't have the storms of the SCG. We've got wind, but we've got glorious sunshine, which is great for the first.
Hey mate, just fueling up at Tom Price, gonna get a coffee. Definitely some storms out there. The crackling got much more frequent as I got closer. Man, look at these towers. Trying to get my bearings. I'm not here much, so I don't know sort of what to do, where to go, but you can see the tops of that starting to go up, and like what happened last night at Nullagine, the instability just gets more aggressive as the afternoon and evening rolls on. So I'm gonna have to try and stay ahead of wherever this is moving, but it's looking pretty fresh at the moment. Even behind these hills, I saw some storms when I had some elevation. So yeah, gonna fuel up, get a coffee and see what happens. Oh, I'm seeing massive forks now behind Mount Nameless. All right.
It's actually like building from Tom Price.
Yeah.
Like south of Tom Price there on that road. It's actually like going across to Karijini now.
I know. So